I'd like to introduce you to the AleterG Anti Gravity Treadmill. This is a really cool device that we use to be able to unload people up to 80% of their body weight instantly, and I'm going to show you how it works today. So I've got Trevor here, and what we do is we actually put on some really cool space-looking shorts, and you can put those on over your existing clothing. We're going to bring this down, and he's going to step up into this gray area, up into the cockpit. I'm going to bring this up around him here. That's appropriate for his height, and we're going to tuck in around him kind of like he's tucking his shirt in. I gotcha. And so then from here, what we have to do is zip him in. We'll bring it around. Take that on the rest of the way. Cool. And then from here, what we're going to do is push the start button up here. And the machine, you're going to hear some noise. It's going to begin calibrating. And what this is doing right now is determining what Trevor's weight is. And that there's some special load cells that are in the device that will keep real-time accurate data as we're working with him over time. So this device uses a technology called differential air pressure. It actually came from NASA, and it allows us, these shorts create a seal around here that you'll see. And it allows us to keep constant unloading on him the whole time. And that's really important, particularly if somebody's had a surgery. We really want to maintain that same unloading the entire time. So what you'll notice is once the machine finishes calibrating here, then we're going to be able to dial in whatever parameters we want over here for Trevor. So I'm going to update this camera so that it's set up for him. Give the machine here just another second. Okay, so now we're ready to get started with Trevor. So what I'm going to do first is I'm actually going to increase his speed here, and we're going to get walking. He's standing on a treadmill deck. So he's going to start walking here at this point, and I'm going to bring him up to a comfortable walking speed. So we're going to come up to, say, 3.5 miles an hour. Now you'll notice on here we've got incline like you have on any other treadmill. This keeps his time. We can put a variety of other metrics that we can track here as well. But this is the key one, which this is his weight control. So how much pressure is on him in percentage form. So right now he's at full body weight or 100%. Now what you'll see is if I push this and take this down, you're going to hear the machine inflate. I've now taken 20% of his body weight off of him. So he's instantly unloaded. And this is really important for people who have chronic back pain, maybe they have knee pain, ankle issues, or if they've also had surgery as well. So it's a safe way for us to get you up quickly and help you meet your goals. The other thing that's really cool, we're the only facility in town that has the Stride Smart system as well. So if you look over here, there's this really cool computer screen, and if I push some special buttons, there's actually real time I can track what his weight bearing is on his left leg, on his right leg, what his step length is on each side, also how long he's on each leg, along with his cadence. We can print these reports, we can send this to a referral source, we can let them know how somebody's doing and how they change over time, including insurance companies and that type of thing. This is really cool data for us to be able to monitor people's changes over time. The last thing on this, obviously Trevor's walking, but the other thing too, I can unload him, even if I unload him some more, I can bring him up to a running speed and allow him to be able to run at a pace faster than maybe he would be able to otherwise with much less load on him. So he's very comfortable and allows us to get him back to return to running at a much faster pace than we'd be able to otherwise. This is the AleterG Anti Gravity Treadmill, great tool at Life Motion Physical Therapy.